Hey YouTube. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys something. I love ice and I eat ice constantly all day. And I usually go to like Sheets. If you don't know, Sheets will give you an extra large cup of ice for 25 cents. But I found this new way to make myself some ice, or to crunch up my ice, because my ice is like the half moon ice, but I want to be able to eat it. I'll eat it like this, crunch it, but it's not good for your teeth. So I make, I don't know what you call it, like snow ice. So all you need to do is freeze your blender. You freeze it. I don't freeze it like overnight. I would say just like a couple hours. Freeze it. You put your ice in. Your blender has to be frozen. It has to go in the freezer, or else it won't work. I got Bella right here. And then you just blend it up. Shake it around because it is ice. But you guys see that? It's already like snow. Huh? And I just like give it a good shake a little bit, you know. It's like snow. You guys see that? It's like snow, but there's a few more pieces that I want to get chopped up, but it's so good. Oh my god, I'm so addicted to eating it like this. I'm just shaking it to get it from down around the blades. And I'm gonna say this again, you have to freeze your blender. You have to freeze it, or else it will not work. Take this out. But it's snow. You guys see that? Like snow. So good. I'm gonna, and I'm gonna make more. I always forget how this goes. Oh, like this. There we go. I'm gonna make some more. But this is just a quick little video I wanted to share. This is almost done. I'm gonna show you guys. It's like snow. Bella, can you get me a spoon? Yep. Snow. So good. Oh. My kids try to eat it. I'm gonna say this one more time. It has to be frozen. You have to put your blender in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Honestly, in Pittsburgh, I don't know what they call it down here, but we call it icy balls. So you can make like icy balls, put flavor on top of this, you know, do whatever you want. I think it'd be good for like the summer. I think for the summer I'm gonna put like, I don't know, some kind of flavor in it for my kids. Yeah, but it's done. I'll show you guys. Snow ice, like I love it. It's so good.
I want that one.
Bella was over here eating it. So good. So good. I look crazy, but I wanted to do this for you guys because I'm anemic and I know a lot of people are out there. It's so good.
Guys.
Bye bye. I hope you like this video. If you want us to do more videos like this, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.